Hey everyone! So today I'm just going to show you guys how I did this quick and easy at-home gel manicure. The first thing we want to do is prep our nails. So what I like to do is just do a quick wipe off with the nail polish remover. And I just do that on all of my nails, whether there was nail polish on them already or not. It's just to get off any dust, anything that might have built up on your nails prior to getting your nails ready. So the next step is going to be pushing back my cuticles. I don't push them back too much because I'm not a professional and I don't want to mess them up or anything. So I just push them back slightly, and then I just remove any excess that might be underneath my fingernails from anything, cooking, cleaning, anything that might be under there. Now we're gonna go ahead and clip our cuticles. Again, I don't go too crazy with this. I just clip whatever seems like it might need to come off or it might not make my manicure look really polished. And then I just do that on both hands. I'm a righty, so doing the right hand is a little bit harder, but you just have to take it easy. Don't go too crazy and you'll be fine. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and clip my nails to the shape that I want before I file them. I really like my nails square. It just looks better with my nail beds and, my fingers. So that's how I usually like to keep them. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and file them, get them right down to the shape that I want. After I finish filing, I'm gonna go ahead and use this square. It has a buff on one side, a smooth on another side. So I just like to do that on all of my fingers before I apply any polish. Now that I've got the shape that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and polish. So for my base coat, I'm just using a D&D polish that I got from Amazon. I'll try to find it and link it down below because I've had this for a while, so I'm not sure if it's still in my order list, but I'll try to link it down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and polish all of my nails on one hand, and I'm going to cure it twice in my UV light. All right, so I've done the base coat and I've cured it twice, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start the polish. Now that we've cured our nails, we're just gonna go ahead and start applying the colors that we selected. So for me, I chose like a sparkly pink and a light pink colors because I just thought it was appropriate for the season. Now that it's getting a little warmer out, the pink was just a nice choice. So what you can see here is that the first layer is always gonna be a little bit thin, but that's okay because we're gonna go back in later on and do a second or third coat. So what I'm doing here is drying it one time, and I'm going to put it back in to dry it for the second time. So when that light goes off, put it back in for the second time. Now what I'm going to do is go in for the second coat. With this polish, I only needed to do 2 coats. There are some gel polishes that you kind of have to go in maybe 3, maybe even 4 times, depending how thin it is. This glitter nail polish that I'm using on this finger is really made to go on top of a color, but I did like it as it was, and if you notice, I kept going over and over it just to get as much color on my nail as possible. So now I'm gonna go in and do the second coat on all of the other nails. Again, I'm gonna go in and dry it for the second time until that light goes off. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a design on one of the nails. I usually like to do, I don't know, I don't like to have one solid color all the time. And then sometimes I just like to do a little design. So I'm just gonna take this glitter polish and just do 3 lines on the nail, just to give it a little bit of jazz. I think it turned out really good. So now that I've gotten the color on all of the nails and I've done more than one coat and I did my design, I'm going to go ahead and apply the top coat. Now, this also came with the D&D set, the base coat. It was a dual set. So again, I'm going to go ahead and apply this, just one coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it twice. And then I'm going to repeat the whole process on the other hand. I just did it one hand just to show you guys how easy it was. And as you can see, it was pretty easy. I would say it maybe took me about maybe 40 minutes because remember I had to prep my nails, clean them, cut them, file them before I actually did the nails. The next time I do it, I probably won't have to do that because I still will have the shape that I already wanted, and I would have already cleaned my cuticles. So I'll just have to take off the polish and then just apply whatever the new color, the new design that I want. So as you can see, it was really simple. All right, so here's the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time making it. And please just be on the lookout for more because there will be more. Thanks for watching.